it's all about. Look what a beautiful fish that is. Him a big one too. Him gonna taste real good. Oh, wife got one. Hang on. What you got, wife?
Quit.
No, I'm not quitting. What you got? What is it? Oh, that's your whittling. What do you think? Cut bait? Oh yeah, cut bait. Some of them skillet, some of them's cut bait. Oh. Ooh, got me a monster hybrid of some kind. It's like a bluegill and some kind of sunfish cross. Look how big this mamma jamma is. There's my leg. Whoa. He's almost as long as my femur there, and look how big and thick. Son, he's gonna taste so good. He just couldn't handle Sloan. Crickets. Crickets. There's tickets. Well, unless you're my wife, she catches them on night crawlers, but either way, them came Sloan too. How about that?